My hair is a whole mess. My name's Angel Rodas and I'm only outside because of the lighting. So today I thought I'd do another cooking video. Tutorial-like video, I guess. I also want to make this into a little series where I buy Boxmade products and then also make the homemade version of it. And today I'm doing that with red velvet cupcake. I'm also going to get a couple of my friends to try it and see how they feel about it. I'm not going to tell them which one is Boxmade and which one is homemade, because I feel like if I told them which one I made from scratch, they're going to choose that one to like spare my feelings. But we're not doing that. Let's get right to the video. I'm trying to put this hat on, and of course someone says to take a shower when I'm doing a video. Like you didn't hear me just yell at my whole family. I hate people. I just hate people. This is why I don't like people. This hat's not gonna fit. Like this hat really is not gonna fit. Like I can pretend that it's on by doing that, but I know it's not on. Like I'm just lying to you guys. I tend to make everything homemade, but I bought this, which has instructions to make it into cupcakes. I'm wearing my little apron that I just found that I had. Why am I wearing a hoodie? Because one, it's winter time. Two, heating costs a lot of money. If you want me to be able to afford heating, you should continue watching my videos so I get that AdSense money. Just a dot. Anyways, I'm just gonna follow step by step the directions that the box has to give me. I do have my own recipe for red velvet cupcakes. I'll leave the directions down below. If I don't leave it, I decided to put it throughout the video. It could just be in a regular bowl or standing next to it like this one right here. Not to brag. I'm going to use a bowl for now. And I'm going to use a wooden spoon instead of a whisk. I'm so tall. Me personally, I don't like cleaning a whisk, so I'm just going to use a wooden spoon because it's easier to clean. So I'm just going to put the whole thing in. Just going to mix it around. I don't know why I do it. It's kind of like sifting it, but not really. Again, following the directions step by step. It says 1 cup water, 3 large eggs, and a 1/3 cup of vegetable oil. You could use canola oil or cannoli oil. I think it's canola oil. Mix everything together. It's so much cleaner and like easier with a wooden spoon. Like just trust me, and faster too. A whisk takes forever. That's how it should look like when it's done. I'm going to use these for the Boxmade because it doesn't give as much of a homemade feeling as these do. Okay, I just lined them all up. Now I have the homemade ones lined up and I have the Boxmade ones lined up. Get a ice cream scoop to scoop them in. Really easy. Make sure to preheat your oven to 350. I know this is dirty, don't fucking comment it. Give me your opinion on which one's better.
Okay, let's see. I mean, you made both of them.
Hmm?
Am I supposed to eat it all?
No, share what
I'm like waiting.
You're like, here you go.
The leftovers.
Yeah.
This does not look like a Red Bull. What color?
Okay, some criticism from Geraldine.
That looks homemade, but I don't know what it is. It looks homemade.
I like how she said it looks homemade. Like someone made that.
So Angel hands me this plate with these 2 cupcakes on it, and instantly I can tell which one is already store-bought and which one is homemade. I don't don't like that.
You don't like it? Yes. Okay.
It doesn't taste like anything. The frosting tastes good, but this doesn't. The cupcake itself doesn't taste like anything. We love an Oreo. We love the extra. What flavor frosting is this?
I made it from scratch. It's Oreo cream cheese frosting.
Oh, excuse me. See, the color looks more natural. This is. I don't want to say
Too
the
red?
word. I don't want to say the
Too
word.
gay.
No, I was gonna say like period red. That's what it looks like.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
I feel so proud.
And I usually don't like red velvet stuff. For me to say that this is good is a lot.
That means a lot. Yes.
So awkward.
It's cold as fuck when we're doing this, guys.
This chair is cold.
Basically, I wasn't recording Kim. I didn't get her face at all for some reason. I am terrible at recording people. I am so sorry. Here's a picture of her.
Okay.
It's like 20 degrees.
They look so cute. I think I know which one's homemade, but it's like hard to tell.
I'm not gonna tell you which one's homemade and which one's Boxmade.
I think this one's homemade because I know you bake red velvet a lot.
Okay, so you think that's good though?
It's good.
But is it better than that one?
I don't know. This is so awkward to eat. Like it's like a big ass thing. That one's good too. I don't know. Wait, so I say which one's good?
Which one you like better?
Okay. I like this.
Better.
I don't know. I'm so indecisive. Like I should have never picked me.
Like. It's time.
Wait, do I look okay?
It's Gabby's turn, guys. Alright, right from the start. Which one do you think is homemade?
Oh fuck me! This one.
Homemade, okay, yeah.
Okay, because I know your cupcake game. So.
Alright, good.
Oh,
I'm pretty
shit,
sure.
I'm nervous. Okay.
People eat cupcakes differently. Like, that's what I learned in this video.
Okay. That's your takeaway from this
Yeah.
experience? Okay, well, I do like a... I don't know, you probably make cringe.
That's a different one.
What? So it's like you get like the perfect... People know. People know. Okay.
The chewing sound. So that's good, I'm guessing? Interesting.
Interesting. What did you put in this? Hold on.
No.
Imagine. Well, I can't really... Sandwich.
That's what everyone does.
What?
They just take out the Oreo.
This is orange.
Brownish.
Alright, what's in this?
It's just
Why is it
normal
brown?
stuff. It's just normal. I ran out of red dye.
You had red dye?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so people say red velvet cake is legit just chocolate with red in it.
It is. It's cocoa powder. That's the color of cocoa powder, is it not?
My whole life is a fucking lie. I honestly feel betrayed by everyone. Food Network.
You like both of them.
I have to go with this one just because it's
This
red.
one? Okay.
Just because it's red.
Just because it's red, alright. I think
this
it's
was red.
I think it's more moist too.
True.
I don't think I made an outro for this video, but I think homemade one. I think it's 3-2. I'm such a bad YouTuber. But if you guys like this video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and check out the recipe down below. I was kind of inspired by like Laura Vitale, so leave her link too. Watch my last video here and my last vlog here. Bye!